Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on the NaxToView animation tool. In this tutorial, we'll teach you how to animate load cases in an FEM analysis model, controlling both their increments and visual presentation. Let's get started. Types of animation. NaxToView offers two types of animations to visualize FEM models. Transient. This option animates all increments of a load case, allowing you to see how the model evolves over the increments. Linear. This option animates from the initial state to the final state of the selected increment, with steps defined in the Steps section. Animation controls. Next, let's look at all the animation controls, starting with the timeline. Timeline. At the bottom of the animation bar, you'll find the timeline. This is where you can visualize and navigate through the increments of the animation. Main controls. In the center of the animation bar, we have the following key buttons. Start animation, begins the animation. Pause animation, pauses the animation at any point. Previous increment, moves to the previous increment. Next increment, advances to the next increment. Start of animation, returns to the beginning of the animation. End of animation, advances to the end of the animation. Editing options. Now, let's look at the editing options, located on the right side of the bar. Animation Start selects the increment where the animation starts. Animation End selects the increment where the animation ends. Frame Rate controls the speed of the animation in frames per second. A value of 1 advances 1 increment per second. Increment By defines the steps between each frame in the animation. For example, a value of 2 will advance in steps of 2. Interpolations. This setting allows you to estimate data between increments. With this, you can smooth the animation or add more detail. Scale adjusts the deformation scale of the model according to your needs. Simply enter the desired deformation value. Advanced controls. On the left side of the bar, we have more advanced controls. Bounce. When this option is enabled, the animation will automatically restart from the beginning once it finishes. Loop. If activated, the animation will reverse direction when it reaches the end, creating a back and forth effect. Note that enabling one of these options will disable the other. Forwards and backwards. This allows you to choose the direction of the animation, either forward or backward. Update Legend. If enabled, the legend will show the maximum and minimum values for each frame during the animation. Save. Finally, you can save the animation as a video file in .avi format. Additional notes. If you're using the linear animation option, the start and end animation buttons won't be available, as they're not necessary. Remember, to apply changes such as interpolations or steps, the animation must be paused. While the animation is running, the general toolbar in NaxToView will be locked to prevent accidental modifications. This concludes our animation tutorial. With these controls, you can efficiently and effectively animate and visualize the load cases in your model. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more content, and see you next time.